Dr. TP, this is a follow-up call. Hope you remember last time we had a talk about any contribution that I can do from my end. Yeah. So yes. I also remember you asked a question. Why now? If you are really interested or passionate, I would have done long back. But yes, now I'm a kind of towards mentoring underprivileged kids. So, thought I'm trying to leverage the platform to pursue my passion.
Yeah, it's always there is always this can be asked, no? Why now? Earlier also it can
Why
be
now?
asked.
Yes. Yeah,
Yeah,
absolutely.
nothing
Yeah,
wrong.
there is. No, actually, I don't know how to put it, but there were. Yeah, I was definitely passionate since the beginning. Uh, but it became more clear, like now, I don't know, many people planning for MBA. So many of them are asking for any extracurricular activities or anything, like impactful thing that you have done. So one of my profile evaluators explicitly emphasized on this fact that not only the academics, you should also be make some impact to the people around you. So yeah, but much before this, I was really practicing research. But recently, I came across this platform. So,
What?
like Sirisa gave me, then I checked with her if I can volunteer mentoring underprivileged kids.
There are many options, but
Okay, sir.
how much impact we can make is a big question.
Okay.
Or where we have to tap our energy has to be understood perfectly.
Okay.
If you are looking for satisfaction, yeah, when I am talking to Archana now, why am I entertaining talking to you?
Maybe because you want to help
No.
people who are in.
No, then I must see whether I can help a large number of people, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Correct.
Or maybe you're trying to understand how much passionate or really interested to pursue your passion or
No,
anything.
nothing like that. There is only one answer for anybody doing this. Any activity.
Okay. Okay, sir.
I am now teaching Bhagavad Gita 6th chapter.
Okay.
Every Sunday 7:30 there is a Bhagavad Gita session, and last week was 6th chapter. Bhagavad Gita talks about karma, action.
Okay, sir.
And why are you, or why Arjuna has to fight is the question which Arjuna himself had. And Krishna clearly explains it through Bhagavad Gita. Every chapter is good, but 6th chapter clearly explains why people get into activities. The answer is, I am enjoying. I am not looking at how much impact that can create in Archana so that Archana will contribute tomorrow to somebody. What is the outcome of it? All that is not a matter of concern for me. I am enjoying now talking to you because you asked a question where I could explain something which may make some impact in you, no guarantee. So why people invest time for somebody else? Because we have an expectation that it may have some result, but no guarantee.
Hmm.
When I am giving a plate of meals to somebody whom I have seen on the roadside, why am I doing it?
Okay.
Is it I am expecting some return back from him tomorrow?
No, sir.
I am enjoying that point of time.
Hmm.
And the smile in that person gives me some satisfaction. I may not be
Okay.
able to give him the best food available in the world. I may not be
Okay.
able to give food to everybody in the world in same style. But to that
Hmm.
person, for that moment, it gives some happiness.
Okay.
But how do I know whether he is going to eat it or he is going to throw it?
Hmm.
Suppose in front of me he throws that out. Then I will feel so bad and upset, right?
Yes, absolutely, sir.
Assume the time which I am spending with Archana now is not going to get any benefit out of it.
Hmm. Yes.
I should
Okay.
become upset,
Yes.
correct? But
Absolutely.
only if I stay and see how are you going to perform. Assume I am not
Hmm.
bothered about how is it going to get effect for you. As soon as I gave the food to that person, I leave the place.
Hmm.
So the
Okay.
satisfaction which I got at that point of time is good enough.
Hmm.
What is ultimately our life? Our life is many moments in our life which creates lot of cherishable moments. That is what life. For anybody it is that life.
Yeah.
It is not that I give something so that a big house is built, lot of qualifications or lot of money. All that doesn't matter. How many such cherishable moments I could make it in my life, so that when I look back, oh, I made some difference to Archana's life. I had spent some good time
Okay.
with Archana, which made her happy. Yeah, maybe some
Okay.
people can make happy,
Hmm.
but then, oh, immediately after that, Archana says, he spoiled my time.
Hmm.
Then, if I feel or you feel, the whole conversation is waste, right?
Yes, sir.
So, we should also do something which we think will give not a momentary happiness. Yeah, I am enjoying talking to you, but it could not become or it should not become a disturbance for you.
Hmm.
So, how many such instances we can create where thinking about it will not
Hmm.
make me unhappy?
Okay.
That is what is exactly called in
Hmm.
Bharatiya Shastram, what is called yoga.
Okay.
What is called yoga, what is called samadhi, what is called social
Hmm.
service, which makes me happy that point of time, which will not make me unhappy
Okay.
later, is called bliss. Can we have such blissful time so that, oh, I have contributed something, I have done something? It doesn't matter to how many,
Hmm. Hmm.
because Vivekananda made difference to many people in this world.
Okay.
But who made Vivekananda?
Yeah.
One Ramakrishna only, right? We don't know
Yes,
whether
sir.
Ramakrishna made many such people or not.
Hmm.
I had
Absolutely.
great masters, and my great masters taught me something. He may not even expect that one Archana will come and talk to me like this, no? So how is it going to get distributed? I don't know. So when
Hmm.
I invest time, it may not be directly beneficial to you, but you are also going to be a channel, a torch bearer who may invest some time for
Hmm.
somebody else. You will take this message, may or may not. Again, the benefit can be ended you or it could continue from you.
Hmm.
That is what is making our life better, purified. And then all of us have got
Hmm.
sharp edges. We may crash each
Yeah.
other, thrash each other, break each other. No, therefore there can be damages in both of us. But then when we rub so many times, we may become very smooth. We become polished.
Yes.
So
Yes.
ultimate life is to become that polished person with a lot of social interaction. So what do? I don't associate with somebody. I don't take help from somebody. I don't help somebody. We associate, we collaborate. Assume Archana is doing
Yes,
to
sir.
help Dr. TPS, or Dr. TPS is helping Archana. No, I am not helping Archana. I am only enjoying this moment of time, so that
Okay.
I don't feel that no, you are supposed to do something after that. I am supposed to do something for you. Nothing like that. We are all equally good. We can always associate, we can always collaborate, we can always talk. Now this message what I am talking to you, it is not very specific to Archana. It is a common message which anybody can listen, right? Who is thinking, there are a lot of people who wanted to do social service, they are not confused where to do, what to do. This message, so what some people will do, oh, they think that no, I don't have a option, but there is a university where some MSW course is being given, let me study that. Somebody may say development studies course in some place, I will do that, but after that what? Again they will have this confusion, after that. So we keep on postponing. There is no point of time we have to postpone. At this moment, what I think I can do, let me do. What style, what can be done? Many instances, occasions will keep coming. We can always
Okay, sir.
be like a rolling stone. That smoothness will come only when you are in the flow.
Yes, sir.
If you wait somewhere thinking that somebody will come and rub me to make me smoother, it will never happen. So let us float, let us go. When some message comes also, look at it very carefully, read very carefully, understand how can I change that into an activity of mine, and see that whether I can collaborate with the people.
Okay.
Now today I must have sent how many messages, Mr. Two, 3 messages, right? Yeah, today I have sent
Yes,
an MBA class. You stored my number, right?
Yes, sir. I have scored your number.
So
Yes, I got the message.
you got MBA class 2011, same date in Hyderabad in Bomgir sometime. I am sure nobody would have taken an MBA class of that kind in anywhere in this country. That is why I am sending it. It's a unique one where people can take it as a model and then see how communication skill can be improved through some games.
Okay, sir.
Nowhere it is told communication, nowhere it is called. It's only say skill development, game learning, students. I am sure you must not have even seen that. If you don't see today, you are not going to see tomorrow also.
Yeah.
So what is instantaneously, look at, I don't skip anything. I keep attending every message which comes to me. If it is unnecessary, I will scold them. I don't ignore, I scold them. Sometimes I am very harsh, saying that it has no relevance, it is only a forward, don't do this rubbish job. Like that I will send a message. If it is something which comes genuinely from somebody, I look at it, give a comment. All that I will do. Correct? Because I am investing time, I am not spending time. I don't have time to spend. Right? Assume that you have sent me, please let me know when availability for connect. If I don't answer, how does it look like for you?
Yes, sir. Absolutely. Yeah.
But definitely I answer immediately, right? But you see how many of my messages you just ignore without even answering. Whereas when a message comes to me, I answer it very sincerely, right?
Yes, sir.
If you don't like, you should say, I don't like it. Please don't send me anything. We have to be very plain. I am very plain in my activities.
Okay.
Therefore, what happens? I don't have any waste in my phone also. Any data which is unused is a waste. But if it is useful, how can be a social service? You can do a lot of social service with your connections. Sending this to many people who are doing MBA, they must not have learned this technique. Oh, I am seeing some, add some value to that and send it. That's value addition. When you send it to 1,000 people, you will see one person likes it, no?
Yes, sir.
That itself is a great thing. That is how we got into contact, right?
Yeah.
How did
Yes,
we got into
absolutely, sir.
contact?
Yeah, when I have checked, maybe updated my status, that's when Shirisha gave your reference.
Yeah,
sir.
that means Sirisha has given a reference. That means Sirisha remembers, right?
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
that is how things happen.
Yeah.
So every bit of small thing which we do may not have an impact, but there can be something which, now next one what I am seeing is a flood solution. Kerala has got a very big problem of flood these years. So what I have done is all the rivers, you know how do they construct houses?
Okay, sir.
How do they construct houses? Every river, if you look at it today, there was a
Okay.
TV program. That is what made me to think like that. Today there was a TV program in which they were telling there is a huge bus station, and the building associated with the bus station, which also accommodates drivers, conductors, visitors, and all that in small rooms. They have a washroom, and because of the flood, what has happened? The whole washrooms have flooded away.
Yes, sir.
That is what the message says. So I was thinking, why these bus stops, their drainage, their safety tank, all the waste, human waste also goes into the river, right?
Yes, sir.
That is how the construction is done. I am not part of government, I cannot make changes, but I can make people to thinking that direction, right? So I was thinking how to change this. Instead of the back of the building is to the river, I change the other way. Along with the river, I have got lot of roads, and the buildings are facing to the roads. So what do they see? From both sides of the roads, they look at the road, then there is a river. Suppose river has got 5-meter width,
Okay.
and during flood, how much it can flood? Maximum 3 times it can flood. Maybe 15 meters flood will happen. Suppose the both side 5 meter wider roads are also there. That means you are giving chance for the river to flood only to the road, but not to the buildings, right?
Yes, sir.
Building will not collapse, the river will never get polluted. So I made a poster immediately and sent it as my all the river structure Kerala map also I took. I wrote flood solution for Kerala, and that has been sent. So I am looking at problems what is in the society, where I am not a person who can physically go and help the flood people, but I can think.
Yep.
I am not a policeman who can do the job. I can think, and maybe some awareness can be spread. But this is not a problem in Kerala alone. Today I am looking at Kerala, but because it is happening there, it is applicable anywhere in the world. So maybe arranging a discussion there, giving a comment there. This is, let us do some action for this. That is how environmentalists, that is how people who are into planning develop themselves into actions. So I am not saying you should look at my message and then start developing. I am saying there are a lot of problems in this world where you can see your eyes open, imagination open, think around it, then start creating actions. In some discussion where I found one person who is really interested in music. So what did I do? I started a Saturday program on music just because of 1 or 2 people. I found their interest in music is so much. So what did I do? I asked them, you contribute a music of 2 lines or 4 lines. I will add a different music from different parts of the world. Now a lot of people wanted to contribute, lot of people wanted to learn. If I am able to learn 3 different language, at least 2 lines of music as a music person, if they love, I'm sure it will become a great chance for them, right?
Yes, sir.
So we can always look at and create problems, solutions for problems. Look at the problems, don't look at problems and then spread the problems. Find solutions and then spread the solutions. So I'm sure we can have it. We can always have such activities. Look at it very carefully and then see how we can do this, how we can take it forward. What is important probably in this world is networking, connecting, spreading positive messages, spreading solutions. As an educated person, these are all the things we can do. Assume you are a very rich person, you can contribute money. Assume you are a cook, you can cook. Assume you are a messenger, you can message. So as what is Archana's capability, in which area you wanted to contribute, you think, or we can think aloud, create lot of such questions and then we can discuss what can be done.
Okay, sir. Yeah, I got you, sir.
Any more travels planned?
No, sir, not now. Currently, I'm planning to write my MBA essay application. So busy with that. Maybe after completing that, I might travel soon to Ladakh, sir.
Where are you doing
For a
MBA?
month. I have shortlisted few. You are from. I have shortlisted few European universities, sir.
Okay. Where?
Business schools.
Where?
Yeah. So one is HEC Paris,
Uh,
one is SDA Bocconi,
uh,
the other is ISADE.
uh.
Yes, sir.
So what are the qualifications they
And
ask for?
also I'm
You have tried
for
CAT?
that minimum of 5. Sir?
You have to write all the GMAT and all that?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm already done with the GMAT.
Uh,
So I've got 72 score in GMAT.
wonderful.
And the admission criteria is also having minimum of 5 years of experience. Yeah, I have 10 years of experience.
IELTS they demand?
Yeah, so the next step. Yes, absolutely, sir. I have to write IELTS also.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So then what you should do is,
Yes, sir. So
No,
for that, yes, I have.
then you should focus only on that now. And plus what can be done is you look at all the edX and Coursera and then start doing some courses.
Okay, sir.
And your
Huh.
do they ask for any other notes or maybe video? Some university even ask videos
Uh-huh.
instead of interview or no.
Huh. Yeah.
Did they ask any?
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, I can.
A few universities, essays, definitely for majority of the business schools. But for few, they are asking for personal interview and also the video recorded.
Yeah, that is what I'm asking. So video recorded one you are asking. So what you can do is you can keep making and then practice it and do well, because they give a lot of values to that.
Okay, sir.
And also statement of purpose, SOP need to be prepared.
Sir, SOP is for MS or other.
No, but that note what you
things,
prepare, the
but
note.
for MBA they ask for SOP.
Yeah, that note what you prepare can have not directly SOP but some reflections on Why are you interested in that
Yeah.
university? Why that university, that course, that specialization you prefer?
Right.
All that may add values.
And how absolutely, sir. Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
So
That is,
yes, sir, I'm in a process
yeah, good.
currently. Yeah.
Yeah. So we could discuss anytime. That discussion also, actually, that is also social service, great social service. Today morning, I had a student who is talking
Okay.
about what to do after forensic science graduation.
Okay, sir.
So what happens is, okay, I had a few discussions earlier that I posted onto YouTube and said, look at it. This is how it is done.
Okay.
So I never posted our discussions onto YouTube because there was not very, it was too personal, no? So assume that this portion, some of these discussions, I can edit and post it onto YouTube and say somebody tomorrow comes, what to do and how to prepare. Now you said you have a, now we just discussed, you know, that video has importance. Probably I must not have told anybody on that. And when I said that your requirement of joining MBA, a personal note itself is another form of SOP. This also I must not have never spoke
Yes,
to
sir.
anybody so far. This becomes an information for many people, right?
Yes, sir.
So I have a playlist called what to study where. This discussion, if I can add, it adds value.
Yeah.
This is also
Yes, sir.
a social. This is also, and tomorrow assume that somebody wants to know some discussion regarding this. You can tell, oh, this is already there. You can look at it. That is how we add value. Anything which we do is not spending time, it is investing time.
Yes, sir.
So that somebody will get benefit. That is what I keep doing.
Okay, sir. Yes. Sir, as now the COVID norms are relaxed,
Yeah.
traveling, so any on-site like mentoring sessions or you inline, what are you planning, sir? Or are you comfortable taking the remote sessions or conducting the report?
See, so far, I have not traveled after the COVID anywhere. The reason
Okay,
is,
sir.
I am totally engaged on online.
Okay.
And I can do probably as good as what I am doing offline on online mode also today. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So it doesn't mean that I am not open for such activities, but I will always keep thinking, why should I, no?
Yeah.
See,
Yes, sir.
that is the only reason. So I am such a person, yeah, if when you ask me, I will not say tomorrow. Today morning I had something, so I thought afternoon is what I can give time for you. So always I look the first opportunity and will not wait for something for tomorrow.
Okay,
So
sir.
my today's first opportunity is, yeah, I am able to do online, and I don't think that many people will keep traveling. See, my programs used to be in Kerala. Now, if
Okay,
you look
sir.
at Kerala, this is one of the worst times of heavy rain, lot of flood. People are
Yes,
not
sir.
even able to travel from Mangalore to next city.
Hmm.
Got it?
Yeah.
And you don't want to get stuck somewhere. Nobody likes, no. Even I have only a small facility. I like to be in my house, my place. Why should I venture to go somewhere and get stuck? That is why I don't do. But I'm sure if
Absolutely.
I open my Malkajgiri house and say that I am here, I'm sure many people will come. Very rarely
Yeah. Correct.
people visit me also. The other day somebody came
Hmm.
for his large farm, nearly 1500 acres
Okay.
of farm he has got in Hyderabad.
Hmm.
He is doing lot of agriculture, so he
Okay,
was
sir.
planning to have some facilities created there where people can come and learn. So I wrote a beautiful article on agriculture, how with the different
Okay, sir.
name boards, how it can be there. So I was doing it digitally.
Hmm.
But he was telling, no, I should
Okay.
come to you and speak to you. and he came. He was the only probably a visitor for last 3-4 months to me.
Okay, sir. Huh.
So he was here to spend some
Okay.
time. So I said, okay, maybe 8 months of time, you can have some constructions, we can have some physical programs. He was actually pulling me to come and stay there, look at the facility and all that. So I've not ventured because I said, I'm not somebody who goes and visits. If there is some activity, I will go.
Okay.
So I'm not a social, casual, even picnics I don't go unless there is some, when I go for a lecture, I may go around and then learn the geography. That's what I do.
Okay.
Yeah. You are a good traveler, I know, and
Okay, sir.
you love traveling. But I have gone to all the northeast places just for lectures.
Northeast. Okay.
Yeah, but then I enjoyed going around. See, what do I do is when I went to Amlian for a program, I found the children are very, very encouraging, lot of energetic people. I was supposed to talk to them for a day. I said, no, let us go for a walk.
Okay, sir.
And I went to their houses, their villages, and that was like a picnic. And in between, I was talking to them physics, I was talking to them mathematics. So that became a good tour for me to understand their culture. If I take in the class, it will never become, no. So that is how I spend my time.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is how I invest my time.
Okay.
I'm always ready.
Okay, sir.
I'm always ready for any such learning and activities around is one of my passion.
Okay. Okay, sir. Yeah.
You have
yeah,
anything in mind?
thank you,
Anything
sir.
in mind? Very specific?
No, I was only looking for opportunities. I tried I tried contacting many of the NGOs, different foundations, sir. But they are kind of, they need a lot of, they are like full time. And now I cannot give up my work and completely dedicate. But I want to work also. Do kind of teach kids or mentor kids. So that's what my plan is. But majority of the NGOs are not like that. They require majority of our time. It's like a full time teaching.
But what you can do is probably see when I am organizing lot of discussions. Generally, what happens is when I organize a program, assume that you wanted to make a program, you tell this is the content of which we can discuss, then I can announce it, many people will join, it could be done online.
Okay, sir.
I can be an observer, maybe if when you ask I can give a comment. Okay, so we could announce such programs, and online we can arrange many programs.
Okay, sir.
But you tell your time and date, and then we can plan together. And it could be like a discussion, it could be like creating awareness, creating the culture of learning. Many things can be done. See, today,
yes, sir.
Today normally schools are not running, so students are not gathering. Therefore, I don't think parents want them to go and meet some people who are because they are all scared.
Yeah.
That is why we can do today what is possible is online. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you can plan a flyer, you can start making some small subject of discussion, and then say, you don't have to be very regularly, you make one program, we can add people, then we can start continuing. It can be done internationally. See, now I have programs with Korea, I've got people from Africa, I have people from Philippines, I get people from Indonesia, Nepal, definitely people will come. India, every state there can be people.
Okay, sir.
So you can plan, tell me this is exactly what we can do. We can make a flyer together and then publicize it. There are 10 people also good enough. But I'm sure if we start doing it on Google Meet, we can do up to 100 people. No. So any point of time, we can plan doing it. No problem.
Yeah,
you can see my lessons on mathematics, physics, chemistry, all is done like that only. One person asked me for a doubt clearance on mathematics, what do? Is I say wait, tomorrow 3 o'clock I make the poster and then send it immediately. I must have sent it to also. You can look at that is how I teach
Okay.
maths, that's how I teach physics, that's how I am teaching languages. We can do that.
Huh?
Any item we can pick it up and then make it as a program.
Okay. Sure, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That could be a discussion which you have lot of questions to ask, like now you asked a
Yeah.
lot of questions. It could be like a dialogue which you wanted to initiate or talk to me. Create this question. We can make a flyer and send it. At least 20 people will join. If even if 1 hour time is given, I am sure 20 people will join.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. When you also join to such programs, oh, this is how it happens.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That's how the culture.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Sure. Definitely, I'll come up with such thing.
Yeah, you plan
Any
some day
topic.
and time and then
So
plan a
I'll let
program.
you know.
Yeah, we will do that. Yeah, sure.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Yeah,
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your time.
and look at the flyer which I am sending. Send it to somebody else because somebody made your contact with me. You can also make somebody else
Yeah.
also be part of it so that such programs will get some mutual collaboration, right?
Yes, sir.
Individually we are not able to do many things, but collectively we can do many things in this world.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
We can always collaborate and then start making such a small groups. So when tomorrow when you have at least 10 people guaranteed that now I am able to say if I take little effort 50 people will join, but just a message is good enough for 10 people to join at any point of time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we can always do that so that
Yeah.
it is not for one to one, it goes for one to many, or maybe 2 people to 100 people or 50 people. That's good enough.
Yes, sir.
Always.
Okay, sir.
Good,
Sure.
beta. Had your lunch?
Yeah.
You prepare
Yeah.
something or you don't?
No, sir. I prepared something and I had and got busy with my meetings. And luckily, I got your time slots.
Okay.
Thank you so much once again for that,
Take
sir.
care. Take care.
Thank you so much for your time, sir.
God
Bye.
bless you. God bless you.